I sent a text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home? I've been sleeping with the light on dim. The dark feels heavier without you in. And every chord.
September 10, dito kami sa farm kasi nag-order ulit si Jan ng mga kahoy. Nakita nyo na yung iba niyan, di ba? Yung posting na yan. Ngayon, ayan, pa-deliver ulit siya. Ayan yung mga baka, oh, mga chismoso. Yan si Jan pala, ayan, nilabas niya yung tractor para hakutin niyang mga kahoy. And nandito pala yung mga bata, pinick up ko sila, tapos dumiretso kami dito. Nothing. All good. Mga chismoso kayo, no? Mga chismoso. Hi, cows. Ito naman yung next. It's flat now, babe. Whoa! Yeah, that's enough, man. Wait and wait.
Want to go 100 miles with it, but
Ayan na yung ating mga kahoy. And hi cows. Ay. And meron pa dun. Ano yan? Electric fence. For electric fence. And dito pa rin yung isang caravan. Hmm? What? Basketball hoop. And dinala dito yung ibang gamit doon sa nag-ibang shed sa bay. Nandito yung mesa, tsaka yung chairs. Kasi ibabalik din naman to pag naitayo na ulit yung bagong shed doon. Our Christmas tree. Zach? Why? Oh, nagsitakbuhan yung yung mga baka. Ikot kasi si kuya kasi may dala siyang trailer. Hindi siya kasya. Tignan si Zach. It suits you, Zach. You think you can drive it? Yeah, don't touch.
So old.
Careful, Saka. Sila sa likod. Andun na si Kuya. Andun na sila. Oh, layo na nila. Inula na yung mag-ama doon. Nandun sila sa shed ng trailer. And dala doon ni Jan yung 4-wheeler. Kaya sumama si Isa kasi gusto niya mag-drive. Holly, it's raining. Come here. Holly, you're gonna get sick again. Nagpahina lang sila ng ulan. Ayan na yung mag-ama.
Does it take time?
Okay. Yun na yung vlog for today.
I wanna eat the
Ito,
rice.
kakain naman itong rice. Gustong-gusto niya yung sushi rice na ginagawa ko sa kanila.
Yeah,
Okay, and eggs. Okay. May tira pa kasi ako doon. Yung baon nila kanina. Oh. You're gonna put the trailer here. Do you still have space? Yeah. Yeah. Ibabalik niya yung trailer dito.
That's electric problem.
Yeah, that's an electric wire. Yeah, if you touch it. Okay, let's go. See you na, guys. See you next time.
Hi guys, it's the 11th of September and it's Thursday and I just got back from dance, and when I got back I saw my dad already booked Arena 51 because that's where I wanted for my 9th birthday, and it's on the 27th and my birthday's on the 21st. That means my birthday's in 10 more days, and I couldn't do it like on my birthday or after my birthday because my brother has footy, like 2 footies on the weekends, so that's why we're doing it on the 27th, and I'm gonna write down who I wanted in this, and I got 10 because that's how much people I'm inviting, and I'm really excited. So this is like what it looks like, and that's where we're gonna write at the back. So I'm gonna write dear whoever I'm inviting. And then we got this little cute thing, party packages. We got all of that. Look how cute this is. I'm going to write down who I want. And I got my list over there. So I'm going to go get that.
Sabi niya yung gusto kong sabihin.
Not here anymore.
So may party siya sa 27.
And I got my pen.
And si Jan kasi, dapat ako magbubook. Kaso si Jan, may ganap siya kanina sa Mount, and sabi niya ako na lang didiretso kasi on the way naman daw dun yung yung pupunta niya, kaya madali lang naman, ibubuk lang naman tapos kukunin to.
And
siya na lang. Okay,
And they also have at Arena 51, they have this big jumping place. They got like slides, you can climb up, and there's like this playground. And then where the party's gonna be, there's in Arena 51, there's this said party thing, and then we go in there to celebrate my party. And I wrote
excited
my
na
first
siya.
one. I wrote first one.
Okay. And you have to give it.
I have to give this one to Mackenzie on Monday though.
Yeah, but the rest you can give it tomorrow.
Yeah.
So they can do the RSVP. Kung sino ba talaga ang confirm na makakapunta. So yun guys, and yung mag-aama ko pala wala dito kasi may footy training and doon sila kakain kasi si Jan ang nakatoka sa sa kitchen. Magluluto yun si Jan doon. So diretso na rin sila kakain doon. And kami ni Holly, kami nabala sa aming dinner. So yun guys, yun yung ganap today. Busy siya sa kanyang invitation. Actually, may in-order ako sa kanya na theme para sa party niya. Pero ito kasi yung gusto niya. So we'll see kung may insert ko pa to. Nandito sa ilalim. Dito ko muna nilagay. Nandito yun. Ayan, nandito. So, next time, ko na lang to sa inyo. I-haul ko sa inyo. Diyan. Yung uso ngayon na kanta, yung Hunter, yun yung binili kong. Pero, ayan, busy siya dyan. Pero wala yung invitation kasi wala rin naman akong nakuhang invitation dun na yung character, wala. Pero yung ilalagay natin sa party bag, meron. Like stickers.
We're gonna have a party bag like later because it's on the 27th, and by the time if we get the lollies today, then it's all gonna be yucky in that.
Wala naman yung lollies, pero may mga basta ipakita ko lang sa inyo. But yeah, okay, see you next time.
This is how much. So I got Riley, Scarlett, Danielle, Harper, Maya.
I left the hall light on in case you come back home. I sent a text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home? I've been sleeping with the light on dim. The dark feels heavier without you in. And every chord I strike cries your name. You come back home again. Stars fell out, the moon turned gray. text that I was wrong. Oh, won't you come back home? Why won't you come back home?
It's on for you, and I never end the things we do. We will always, you always do anything for you. I will never will, 'cause I set fire, but I watch it burn as I touch your face. When I cry, 'cause I heard you screaming out my name, my name.
I've been sleeping with a
Good afternoon. Dito pa kami sa labas ng school. Hinihintay namin si Holly. And si Holly lang pala ang pumasok today. Today is Friday. Yung dalawang boys hindi pumasok. Si Kuya, 3 days na siya hindi pumapasok kasi meron siyang sinat at saka ubo, sipon. Then, kanina lang naging medyo okay si Kuya pero masakit pa rin yung throat niya. Si Sak, pagising niya kanina, masakit yung lalamunan niya. Tapos, meron siyang stuffy nose and konting ubo. So, hindi na rin namin siya pinapasok. Tapos si Holly, pagising niya, ang pula-pula niya din. Sabi ko, Baba, are you alright? Sabi niya, no, ma'am. Sabi ko, Baba, huwag ka nang mag-absent kasi lahat na kayo absent. Nagsimula kay Holly last week. Tapos, naging okay siya. Tapos, ngayong week kasi, ano siya, everyday nagsiswimming sila sa school. So, siguro, bumalik yung, ano niya, sipon, tsaka ubo, dahil sa kakaswimming, hindi pa okay ang weather dito. Malamig pa rin kahit spring na. So, sabi ko sa kanya, Baba, pakiramdaman mo, pumasok ka today kasi lahat na kayo absent. Last week, hindi niya rin nakumpleto yung, yung week sa pagpasok kasi nag-absent yata siya 1 day. And, nung Sunday, meron siyang, dance. So, si Holly, din siya, puspus din yung dance lesson niya kasi malapit na yung comp niya sa Adelaide and then yung kanilang program sa sa dance nila sa December. So pudpuran yung dancing nila, yung practice ba nila. And then today wala dapat na dancing si Holly, dapat lang siya Tuesday, Monday, Thursday. But for the past few weeks meron si Holly Friday, Sunday. So ngayon meron ulit siyang practice 4 to 5:30. So, ang plano dapat namin is, kanina, alis na kami ng 1 o'clock, papuntang Robe, kasi doon kayo matutul, kasi nga, grand final na pala guys, ng kids sa Robe. And then, maaga yung call out nila, 9 o'clock, so, 2 hours away yun sa amin. So, kailangan namin gumising ng maaga. So, sabi ni Jan, doon na lang tayo matulog, para hindi tayo magmadali, gumising ng maaga bukas. So, doon kayo matutulog guys. So, ngayon, hinihintay lang namin si Holly. Tapos, dadalhin namin siya sa practice niya. Then, maghihintay ulit kami doon. Then, diretso tayo sa Robe. So, yun yung aming, guys, ganap. And, hindi rin ako everyday nagbablog. Kung ano lang yung ganap namin na, alam niyo yun, pa glimpse lang. Kasi nga, aside sa busy kami, marami rin akong pending na vlog. So, tinatapos ko rin yun. Minsan nga hindi ko rin na araw-araw yung pag-edit kasi nga busy kami talaga, as in super busy sa farm, busy sa bahay, busy sa activity ng kids. So yeah, yun yung update guys. So di ba naka 3 minutes na tayo. And si Jan kanina, can you turn it down please? Kanina si Jan umalis siya kasi di ba nag-start na yung fishing niya. Umalis si Jan ng alas 11 ng madaling araw, tapos dumating siya ng alas 8 ng umaga or 9 o'clock. Yan, 9. Quarter to 9 siya kanina. So, kaya siya maaga kanina kasi pangit yung weather. Nung alas 8, ang lakas na ng hangin. So, inagahan ni Jan para hindi sila abutan ng malakas na hangin at saka alon. So, yun ang ginagawa ni Jan. Pag alam nila, kasi nakikita naman nila yung kung anong weather. So, pag alam ni Jan na pangit ang weather sa ganitong oras, gigising sila mas maaga. So, yeah. And then, nagnap na rin yan si Jan. Kasi nga, maaga siya kanina, diba, gumising. Tapos, pagdating niya naligo, nagnap. And then, ito, binilan sila ng gamot kasi naubos na yung Nurofen. Kasi tatlo sila sunod-sunod nagkasakit. Ha? So, yun guys, yung ganap natin. So, how many hours to rope from here, Kuya? 2?
1 hour and 30 minutes.
1 hour and 30 minutes. So, what time we will be there? Holly will be finished 5:30. 7 o'clock tayo makakarating sa room. Yeah? Lumabas na dun si Jan, may kausap siya dun. Yung kapitbahay na, kasi hindi si Tommy yung isa. Kasi yung anak niya dito rin nag-aaral. So, hintayin lang natin si Holly, girl. And, dala ko yung, gumawa ko ng protein balls. Ayan, may chocolate nito. Tapos, eto naman, banana. And kung hindi kayo nakafollow sa aking Facebook doon guys, updated doon. As in, kung anong ganap ko today, ina-upload ko doon. Ano lang naman, maiksi lang reels, like mga baon nila. Tapos, yeah, check nyo na lang. Check nyo lang utos. Kayong bahala. Kayong bahala. And in-straight ko yung buhok ko. Hindi ko in-straight. Blow dry. Yung Dyson natin. Okay. So, update ko kayo mamaya, guys. Good luck talaga bukas sa boys. Sana maging okay sila. Kasi grand final. Yung mga kasama nila nandoon na sa Rob kahapon pa. Yung iba nag-absent na rin. Si Brock. Did Brock go to school today or no? Si Brock hindi. Hindi din pumasok. Nandoon na sa Rob. Yung mga kaibigan nila. Kaya sinasabi nila, bakit si Holly meron pa, ngayon pa talaga nagkaroon siya ng schedule na Friday. So, nga. Kasi usual, wala talagang Friday si Holly. Kaso nga lang, malapit na rin kasi yung comp ni Holly. Kaya, inad tong additional lesson and additional bayad. Every additional, may bayad din yung guys. So, Friday and Sunday. So, bali, 4 na araw na 4 days a week na si Holly nag-dance lesson. Instead of 2 lang. Dito na si Holly. You still have time, Baba?
Yeah, get change later.
No, change later. Ayan na. Kailangan natin mabilis dito.
Told me.
Not yet. No, not yet.
Quick.
Oh, not yet. After this
Guys?
one. After this one.
Right.
Yeah. Kasi dito, highway kasi ito, kaya busy ito. Ako din, nagmamadali rin ako lumabas pag pinipick up ko si Holly. Dahil kung hindi yung mga estudyante na nagdadala ng car, pag lumabas na sila, wala, mas-shock ka na dun. How are you, Baba? You feel better? Okay. Close your legs. Nakapag-change na pala siya and pinapakita ko yung video na sasayawin nila. Yan yung practice nila na binibidyo ng teacher. Sabi ko, alamin niya yung position niya. Well, alam niya naman, but yeah, pa-review lang para hindi sila masigawan kasi napaka-stricto na ang teacher nila. Dito pala kami sa coast, guys. Well, si Jan siya kasi sak lang naman ang pumunta sa coast. May kukunin lang sila doon. And yeah, 1 hour and a half kami maghihintay kay Holly. Kasi yung dance lesson niya is 4 to 5:30. Ayan na sila.
Yeah, my lollies, because that stuff was
Bumili ng
disgusting.
tubig, baon natin, then may
No,
coke,
I thought it was
and
going to make the thing numb, not your tongue. Yeah, that's what it's meant to do.
How are we going to open that?
Ayan.
Jack, can you just throw me those for me?
You pay those. No, you're closer.
Ituturuan pa yung dalawa. Umuulan na pala. Tingnan nyo yung weather sa labas. Kanina mas malakas pa. Si Sak na Kathmandu. And And pumunta, sak! Sak! Get that one! No, yung cart ng mandar. Pumunta rin sa pharmacist. Bumili sila ng spray for the nose. Ayan. And more Nurofen. Then eto, ayaw ni Kuya yung Deflam Plus. This one, you try this one, right? Yung chinuchun nila. Kasi kailangan nila maging better. Kasi bukas na ang last. Sino talaga magiging champion? Sa ating Strepsils, di ba? Kasi may sore throat din sila. Oh, put that one.
What did you buy?
Is this?
Yeah, I can't taste it.
Who's this one?
Huh?
I can't taste anything.
Ayan.
No, open it now so you can
You want?
open it.
Sriracha.
Sriracha?
Yeah, sriracha. See, chili sriracha.
Is it good?
Yeah, sriracha is
I
good.
eat this.
Why?
No, we
Yeah,
taste
nice.
to it now.
Yeah, because it's anaesthetic. Strepsils for your throat.
No, it didn't do it in my throat. It did
Oh, I
something.
thought it
you
would
have
just
to
work
suck.
instantly.
You have to suck it.
No,
again.
in my tongue. I
Yeah.
don't feel my tongue.
Yeah, that's because it's going to get down your throat.
First time nyo kasing
No, I
magganon.
should have just got the normal one.
The lime one.
No,
I like this one.
yeah, the lime one.
So, dito muna kayo tatambay kasi 5:30 pa naman. Alas 4 pa lang, guys. Ayan. Dito na si Holly. Inip na yung boys. Okay. Ang dami kasi 5:28.
You look like that guy that has like neon hair.
Marlon? Yeah, I am Marlon.
How was your dancing, Holly?
Good.
How's Maria? Yelling?
Angry.
Yelling, Holly?
Yeah.
Napaka-stricto ng teacher niya kasi gusto niya perfect talaga sila. As in. Kasi maganda talaga yung ano niya din, yung training niya sa mga bata. Sorry. Grabe siya magdisiplina na to. Alam mo yun, yung parang yung ibang bata ayaw nang pumasok. Kasi yung school na to, lagi silang nananalo din sa mga competition dahil nga sa ka-strictohan nitong teacher nila. As in, gusto niya talaga pulido. Pag hindi ka ready, hindi ka niya isasama. Kahit ka pa nakapagbayad ka pa ng the whole term, the whole year. Kung hindi ka prepare, hindi ka niya isasama. So yeah. 1.5 hours to row. Let's go. Dito na pala kami sa room. Kabababa lang ni, ayun si Jan at si Kuya. Kuha sila ng dinner namin. Dito sa Rope Seafood. Kasi ng, makakalaban nila bukas. What do you think, Sak? Do you think you're gonna win? Or they gonna win? Huh? Oh, do you think?
I don't know.
How do you feel? No, I mean your physical, like I know you're sick. What do you think your condition? Headache, may sakit ng ulo, and then stuffy nose. Spray that one.
No, you're only meant to spray it
Once,
and then you gotta wait 3 days.
all right. So tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. But we had the other one that we can spray. The other one, it wasn't kinuha dyan sa spray sa ilong. Iba din. Si Uri pala tulog. Oh, tulog yung ating danseret.
Look at that.
What happened?
TJ ran and she shit herself.
Huh?
TJ ran and she shit herself.
Oh.
Jace.
Huh?
Alright.
1 hour wait.
1 hour.
We just got the road and just ordered chip and fish.
Already?
Yeah.
Was that the plan you go down the night before?
Yeah. How you gonna sit in there?
Dito na pala kami sa cabin, guys. And ayan na yung in-order namin na fish and chips. Oh, I forgot it's in the car. And pumunta kami doon kung kilala nyo pa si Mayo. Di ba mayroon sila ditong bahay. Nandun yung anak niya, may kinuha lang si Jan. And, ayan, binigyan kami ng sauce. Dapat bibili kami ng sauce. And sinabi niya, dapat doon kami nagstay. Nakalimutan din ni Jan. Akala kasi ni Jan, rush lang kasi yung pag-book niya dito. Last minute lang. And eto na lang yung nag-iisang cabin. Maliit lang to. Bukas ko na ipakita yung labas bat. Ayan yung bed namin. Pagpasok nyo sa pinto, ayan ang bungad. Yung aming bed di dyan. And kitchen. Ang table. Ayan. And dito yung dalawa lang to. So si Holly sa amin. Yung bunk bed. So si Sak at saka si Kuya. Last one na lang to. And yung iba sila Brock sa ibang ibang caravan park. Kain na ako, guys. Kain na. Where's mine? And homemade tong etong tomato sauce homemade ni Mayo. Masarap to. Gutom na sila. Well, lahat kami. Anong oras na? 1 hour and a half namin to hinintay. Kaya pumunta kami doon kila yung bahay nila Mayo dito. Kasi meron pinapadala si Phoebe. Anak nila yan. Nasa uni na siya. Ay, nag-uni na siya. Ang laki niya na. Inaalagaan niya dati si Holly. Pag nakita ko yung picture nila, dahil nung maliit pa sila pareho. Na? Where's the corn jack? Ayan, may corn jack tayo.
That's mine.
It's not good, Dad.
This is good. Gutom na talaga. Okay, kain muna kami, guys. Good, Holly? Ayan, mayroong calamari, fish, corn jack, potato, cake, chips. Diyan mayroong burger. And DP dog. Yeah. So, ayan, tapos na kaming kumain. And yan na lang yung natira. Yung boys, andun na sila sa kanilang bed kasi maaga pa bukas.
Thank you guys. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and get some next one. Bye.
Inaayos lang ni Jan yung bed ni Sak doon. Sila kumakain na naman. So yun na guys, bukas na lang ulit.
Because I think I do want you next to me.